If my boobs come out at any point in this video, I'm so sorry to the children who are watching. Okay, so I'm using the James Charles palette today. I got this palette during quarantine and I have not used it. Let's see. She's fresh, she's clean and ready to go on my face. I'm gonna do like an olive green kind of smoky eye. I don't really plan what I'm gonna do before I do it, and I know it's horrible, and I'm working on my organization, but I feel like I work better when it's like really last minute. So we're just gonna see what happens, okay? So with my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my lid. Let's talk about why I'm doing this. Why at 27 I decided to start venturing out into Instagram and YouTube and shit like that. That's been around for a while. So I've been doing makeup for as long as I can remember. I mean, no, I can remember. I think that's just a saying like people say. Okay, so when I was younger, you know, my mom used to get me like the little palettes from Claire's. I kind of still secretly love Claire's. I don't go in because I'm almost 30, but yeah, so I would love like the little Claire palettes, and then of course I couldn't wear it like outside of the house because I was like an infant. I used to use my little Claire palettes and do like the craziest little eyeshadows. You know, I would do like pink here and then blue here and then purple underneath, and I would just be like running around the house until I finally, you know, started running around New York City looking like that. Let's get in there. I'm gonna go with a brown now, and I can't see the fucking thing. Kind of go above my crease line. I'm not exactly sure if this is what I want, but this is what we're gonna do. Yeah, so I've always loved makeup. I've always done people's makeup. Birthdays, special occasions, baby showers. It's just the joy of doing it. Like, I love making people feel good with makeup. I think my biggest pet peeve throughout doing people's makeup is that they're not comfortable. I completely get it. But 10 out of 10 times when I've done somebody's makeup, they're like, oh my god, I look like a clown after. And it's not that you look like a clown. It's just you're not used to seeing yourself with makeup. And that's what I want women to understand. Like, don't let your boyfriends tell you, I don't like lip color on you. I don't like eyeshadow on you. I don't like this. Because who cares? At the end of the day, it's your body, and if you want to fucking wear makeup, wear the makeup. I just love like getting women to embrace themselves and embrace their beauty, you know? Just because you don't wear makeup doesn't mean you're not beautiful. But when you wear makeup, you feel beautiful. And everyone loves to feel beautiful. So back to why I started this. People always ask me like, oh, can you teach me? Can you teach me? And I'm always like, yes. I will never say no to somebody who wants to learn makeup. Ever. Because it's hard. Makeup is hard. It takes years, and like people always ask me, how do you do your wing eyeliner? How do you do your wing eyeliner? And it started with me like using like a $3 Wet n Wild from Five Below, and like going outside with the most crooked, the most like horrible looking eyeliner, but I didn't stop. I did not stop. And I feel like that is key. You can't stop once you start something, because you'll never know if you're gonna be good at it. So if I would have stopped the eyeliner, I wouldn't be doing makeup. I wouldn't be doing eyeliner. Mama ain't raised no quitter. You know? I'm trying a cut crease today. And girl, give me the strength. So I don't know, like being in quarantine, like being bored, and like seeing other people just like follow their dreams. You know, little baby me just wanted to be famous, and now big adult me wants to be famous too. And it's not even necessarily for fame, because if I don't get anything out of this, I'm okay with that. But what I do enjoy is like sharing what I do with the people I love. You know, there are people from, you know, all around the country who tell me, oh my God, I can't wait for your video. And these are people I know personally, and I love that. I just want to share what I do with my friends and the people I love. If I don't get 1 million views, I'm okay with that, because the 100 people who did see, they enjoyed it and they learned something, or they were just proud of me and watched, and that feels better than anything. Wow, so I don't know if you guys can see, but like this perfect, this not so perfect. So we're gonna take a brush like this. I'm just gonna go in with that brown, and I'm just going to try and like darken it. I'm just gonna try and even it out. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side, so the so they're even. So just to stay really clean with the lines, you know, with my cut crease. You gotta be careful, because if you fuck this up, then you look like you got a lazy eye, which is probably what I did. So yeah, makeup has always been like a really important part of my life. It always made me feel good. I want other people to feel good about themselves too. You know, I have a lot of confidence. I feel like I am very strong, and I feel like a lot of people like that about me, and they enjoy that about me. I think makeup had a lot to do with it, actually. It always just taught me, like, do what you want, do what you want, because people are always gonna have an opinion. How I do my makeup is it's my choice, and nobody else does makeup like me. So when I teach people, I don't want them to do makeup like me, I want them to do makeup like them, but I just teach them tricks that help me. On top of this green that I matted down onto my lid, I'm gonna put like a shimmery, like olive color. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm following that cut crease line. And I'm just gonna blend it out onto the green that I packed on. And out. Yeah. I would describe my makeup style as like messy, but chic, messy chic. And that's honestly how I would just describe my life. You know, party, if any of you got that. And I'm just gonna clean up on the ends a little. So So this beauty blender is from Mary Kay, one of my coworkers, Terri. I'll leave her Instagram down below, Terri Renee. She gifted this to me, along with this brush cleaner, which I love, by the way. I just used, and it took the makeup off so effortlessly, so quick, and I was able to like use the brush right away. Love it. So she gave me that. She gave me this beauty blender, and then this all over brush. And I haven't used the brush yet, but I will use it when I do like my setting powder. And I'll let you guys know what I think. If you want any Mary Kay products, she even does Nutraburst. I actually bought some stuff from her and it really worked. I took her energy pills and they made me feel great. Plus you burn 300 calories, like just for taking my fucking pill. So yeah, hit her up. So I suffer from a lot of self-doubt, and I think starting this YouTube channel and like doing shit on Instagram and stuff like that, it's helping me, you know? I'm constantly thinking people don't like me, they don't want to see me succeed, they're talking about me. It's not true, and it's all in my head. I haven't gotten any negative feedback, and I am grateful for it. I'm grateful for all of you. But I try to transfer that into my everyday life, you know, with work, with so I'm trying to change my mindset. I'm trying to bring more positivity into my life this year, especially with everything going on. I feel like it's so necessary. It is so necessary. I'm gonna go with my trusty Soft Glam. I'm just going to go in with the color Rustic. My main goal is just to inspire young women and men. I just want to inspire them to be who they are and to not care. And that is my biggest thing. You should not care what other people think of you. And I know I preach a whole big game, but I mean it. Like, for the people I talk to and the people I share this with, like, you should not care what other people think as long as you're happy with yourself. So now I'm gonna go in with my heavy metal. Every single video you're going to see Haus Labs products. Don't care. Don't care. And if you don't like Lady Gaga, like, I don't even know why you're here. So and I'm gonna take a little bit of like the brown and a little bit of that sparkly green. Under. I think I did good. Alright, so I'm gonna run through the rest of my face really quick and I'll be right back with you. Hi guys! I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the final look. I know, I need to work on my posing. But thank you so much for watching. Like, your time means so much to me. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I'm trying to be famous, okay? And it's gonna take every single one of you. But I really do appreciate it, and I cannot stress that enough. And if you have any anything you want me to try, anything you want me to cover, anything you want me to teach you, just let me know and I will do my best. But thank you so much, and yeah, hope you enjoyed.